Hi friends, welcome to Java Express channel. So today we'll discuss how to create a GitHub and how you need to create a repository. We'll see in this tutorial. Okay, so let me open Google Chrome. Here there is a sign up option. So this is a github.com URL. Just go and type GitHub and you can sign up by you can provide your credentials, yeah, just username, whatever you want, email ID and password. Just you sign up. After sign up you will get option like price plans. You can choose like a you are a free plan, right? So we no need to pay anything for the GitHub. It's like a free. If you need any private repositories, then you need to pay. In terms of business perspective, if you want to develop any project, you don't want to share to anyone, then you need to use like a private repository. Okay, just it will ask to the verify the email, just verify that email. Okay, and guys, and if you want to know about the Linux, if you see here, Linux is a open source. Right, so anyone can customize their own Linux. Right, why I'm saying means every code will be there in the GitHub only. Just there is a search bar, just go and type the Linux. If you type here, see this is the guy introduced the Linux kernel. If you open here, okay, all source code is available here about the drivers, kernel, every information. You can see the open source. So Linux is open source, right? On top of that, you can clone the project and you can customize, you can commit your GitHub. Okay, if you see here right side, there is a contributors, even 30.7k. This many number of people contributed about the Linux kernel. Okay, if you want to create in this way, like if you want to create the project in this way, if you see here, click here, you have an option clone with https. If you want to clone using like the, if you want to create this way, how you need to create, I will explain. Okay, now go for, after your sign up, click on the sign in, provide your details and it will create your account. Okay, and here go for here, click your repositories. I already have some repositories, don't worry, click new repository. Okay, here your owner, your Java Express channel, this is your owner, right? If someone check with this ID, they will check by using this channel. You can also check. Okay, and here you can provide the repository name. You can give anything, Java Express. Okay, I'm giving just you can say Java Express repo. I'm giving, this is the name. Here you have a public repository. If you pay price plans, you can use the private. Now as a beginner, if you are a beginner, click this option and create repository. Later I will explain why I unchecked this one. Okay, why I'm if you use here, the way of creating the repository is different. Okay, if you initialize, click create repository. Okay, if you create like this, see previously I opened the Linux, right? The same way you are able to see here, this is my channel name, this is your repo, and if you see here, this is the initial commit. I said, right, Git is a distributed version control, it will be initial commit for you. Okay, and if you see here, as of now one initial commit is happened. See, Java by default GitHub will add a readme file. Who are they new this project, if they read that readme file, they should understand few things. We will in installation step, if you want any prerequisites, you can update in your readme file. Okay, I hope you guys are clear. In the next tutorial, how you need to clone this repository in your either Windows, either Mac, either Linux, and how you need to do some operations. We'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you guys.